Solar generation is growing faster than we can consume it, and Germany's leading the charge, with over 100 gigawatts of solar and just 60 gigawatts of peak summer demand. That's great news for the planet, but bad news for solar investors. Solar capture rate measures how much solar generators get paid versus the average wholesale price. And in Germany and Spain, annual capture rates have collapsed to just 55%. 2 years ago, they were over 80. So why are German capture rates so low? Let's compare the solar generation profiles in Germany and Spain. In Germany, long summer days and high sun angles cause a sharp solar peak. Spain's profile is flatter, more sun all year round and reduced summer output due to overheating. That's the supply situation, but what about demand? Germany's load is more steady, peaking slightly in winter for heating, but Spain's demand spikes in June and July, driven by demand for air conditioning. The result? German prices crash in summer when solar generation is at its highest, whereas Spain sees most of its cannibalization in the shoulder seasons. To find out how developers are de-risking their solar investments, read the full analysis on the Modo Energy Terminal.